In today's video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks that can help you enhance your facial features and achieve a more attractive look. So, whether you're preparing for a special occasion or just looking to boost your self-confidence, these tips will help you put your best face forward. For a 5 minutes hack, check out the YouTube Shorts section on our channel. Taking care of your skin is crucial when it comes to improving your facial aesthetics. Start by cleansing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, and impurities. This will help prevent breakouts and leave your skin looking fresh and clean. Next, use a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and looking healthy. Look for one that's tailored to your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination skin. And don't forget to apply sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Facial hair can be a great way to enhance your facial features and add some character to your look. But it's important to keep it well groomed and tidy. If you have a beard or mustache, trim it regularly and use a beard oil to keep it soft and manageable. If you prefer a clean-shaven look, make sure you shave regularly and use a high-quality razor to avoid irritation and ingrown hairs. And if you have any facial hair that's patchy or uneven, consider visiting a barber who can give you a professional trim. Your smile is one of the first things people notice about you, so it's important to keep your teeth looking their best. If you're a regular coffee or tea drinker, you may notice some discoloration or staining on your teeth. To combat this, try using a whitening toothpaste or at-home whitening kit to brighten your smile. And if you have any dental issues that are affecting your confidence, such as crooked or misaligned teeth, consider visiting an orthodontist to discuss your options. Your hairstyle can have a big impact on your facial aesthetics. Choose a hairstyle that complements your face shape and highlights your best features. If you're not sure what style would suit you best, consider visiting a hair stylist for a consultation. If you want to know what hairstyle suits to your face shape, write a comment and let me work this out for you. And don't forget to keep your hair well maintained by getting regular haircuts and using high-quality hair care products. A healthy, shiny head of hair can make a big difference in how you look and feel. If you want a more defined jawline, mewing will help. Mewing is a technique that involves holding your tongue in a specific position in your mouth to improve the shape of your face and jawline. The idea behind mewing is that by holding your tongue against the roof of your mouth, you can help improve the alignment of your teeth and reduce the appearance of a double chin. That's it. By taking care of your skin, grooming your facial hair, whitening your teeth, choosing the right hairstyle, and mewing, you can enhance your natural features and achieve a more attractive look. Remember, confidence is key when it comes to looking and feeling your best, so be proud of who you are and embrace your unique style. Thanks for watching.